Welcome to Introduction to Plato, the Republic, and the Allegory of the Cave. So in this lesson, you're really going to work through the Allegory of the Cave, which is a part in Book 7 of the Republic by Plato. And the work of this lesson is to help you to actually be able to retell the Allegory of the Cave. So it's one thing to kind of understand what the allegory is about, and it's another thing to be able to tell the allegory to someone else. It's a fairly simple, straightforward story. And when you have a good sense for what Plato's trying to do in this work, then the kind of story and the allegory fits together and you can have a sense for what Plato is going for. And one of the main things he's going for is how we understand reality and how our perceptions of reality can change, and what is the basis for what we take to be reality. The allegory starts with these people who have lived in a cave for their whole life. They've never been outside of the cave, and everything they see or what they take to be real is really just shadows of puppets on a wall. But they take that to be that if there's a puppet of a dog or a shadow of a puppet of a dog on the wall, they take that shadow to be a dog because they don't know any better. And then the allegory goes through what happens when someone leaves and see the outside world, and not just leave and see the outside world, but then what would happen if they return to the cave. So it's a very memorable, very influential story in the history of philosophy, also in for education, for so many different realms. It's a very influential allegory, and I hope you enjoy this lesson.